All right, we're working on compatible numbers. Now, compatible are the two numbers that when you, they work together very well. There's no leftover remainders. So this is just estimation skill. First what we're going to do is when you have a one-digit divisor. Okay, so we're going to make, go to the problems, divide by 3. We're going to go to our dividend. We're going to mark off the numbers that are behind the decimal, and then we're going to look at this first digit. Can 1 be divided by 3?
No.
No. So let's just extend that line a little further. Can 19 be divided by 3?
Yes.
Does it go evenly?
No.
No. So I want to do the high-low comparison. I want to find the most compatible number, because we're 19, but it has to be a multiple of 3. So for my low one, I want to do what multiple of 3 gives me as close as I can to 19 without going over. Rhiannon. 18. So I'm going to use the 18. I don't have any leftover numbers because I used the 19 and I got rid of the 7. Okay? So I did 3 times what to get 18?
6.
So I want to go up one multiple to 3 times 7. What is 3 times 7?
21.
21. All right. Again, no extra numbers, so I don't need to add any zeros. Now, I'm going to look at which one is actually closer to 19. Is it 18 or is it 21?
18.
18. So I'm going to get rid of this. What is 18 divided by 3?
6.
And that's how we came up with that answer. Okay? Now, next one. Very quickly, let's look at 394 and 6/10 divided by 9. So let's walk through this together. Everybody should have their workbook page out. I have a one-digit divisor, so what do?
Keep it the
You just
same.
keep it the same. So I'm going to do divided by 9, divided by 9. So now I need to find my compatible numbers. I'm going to get rid of this number behind the decimal, and I'm going to look at the first digit. Can 3 be divided by 9?
No.
Extend it. Can 39 be divided by 9?
Yes.
Does it divide evenly?
No.
No. So I'm going to do that high-low. What multiple of 9 gets me closest to 39 without going over? No.
Joey. 9 times 36.
36. So I'm going to change this 39 to a 36. This time, I do have a number left over. So I'm going to change that to a 0. For the next one, I did 9 times 4 to get 36. So for this one, I'm going to do 9 times 5.
is 45.
45. And then change that 4 to a 0. Now let's look. Is 39 closer to 36 or is it closer to 45?
36.
36. It's only 3 away from 36. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of this one and use this one. 36 divided by 9 is 40. I have 1 0 left over. Bring it across. There's the S. Okay. Now we're going to look at a 2-digit. 2-digit divisor. Look at number 3. Number 3 is 308 and 3/10 divided by 15.
Cameron, Washington, from Mr. Roy.
Okay.
Check out.
15. When you have a 2-digit divisor, you simply have one little extra step. What is that extra step? Round that divisor. What would 15 round to? 10 or 20?
20.
20. Okay? Now, I'm going to knock the number off behind the decimal. And I'm going to just look at that 2. I'm going to pretend like that 0 is not there for right now, just for the estimation purposes. Okay? Look at 3. Can 2 go to 3?
No. Yes.
Yes. Does it go evenly?
No.
No. So I'm going to do that high-low. What's the closest multiple of 2 that gets to 3 without going over? So I can change that 3 to a 2. I have 2 numbers that have to change here, so both of these become zeros. The one that goes over would be 4. Now here's a situation where it doesn't really matter which one you choose because they are both 1 away. Okay?
Yes.
You can use either one of these and still be correct.
Oh.
So 2 divided by 2 is 1. This 0 cancels out this 0. So you have 1 0 left over, so that gives you 10. Or if you choose to use the second one, 4 divided by 2 is 2. This 0 cancels out this 0. 1 0 left over. So either one of these would be acceptable.
So they're both right?